Thanks very much for staying with us. Let's get you a quick breaking update coming in this hour where the NIA is conducting raids in several parts of Srinagar and nearby areas for the second consecutive day, where these raids are in connection with case of terror funding that is taking place. A Hurriyat radar of the NIA where it is being said for the second consecutive day when these raids continue on part of the National Investigation Agency. It is being said that there was some money that has been raised in the name of charity being used for separatist activities in Jammu and Kashmir. So we're looking at Srinagar, other parts of the area as well, where these raids that are in connection with the case of terror funding and with Hurriyat under the NIA radar, where these raids continue for the second consecutive day. Gursimran, give us the update, please. NIA continues with its raids on day 2.
Yes, the NIA raids are conducting for the second day, and the 10 raids, what we are picking up from our sources, 10 teams of NIA have already stationed in Kashmir, and raids are underway, not only in Srinagar, but the adjoining areas. And now the Hurriyat is under scanner for the terror funding and terror financing network. They have been building up for years in Kashmir Valley to fuel the terrorism. Zafar Ahmed, what we are learning from our sources in NIA, the chairman of JK Salvation Movement, is being raided by NIA right now. He was earlier summoned by the Premier Investigation Agency in 2019 as well. So the raids are underway at multiple places on the Hurriyat crackdown. The Hurriyat crackdown has begun in Kashmir Valley because we have seen that Hurriyat has been fueling the fire of terrorism in Kashmir.
All right, Gursimran, thanks very much for the update. So yesterday there were around 10 locations. Today, similar to that, where these raids are being conducted by the NIA in Srinagar, Bandipora and other locations as well. This is a matter of terror funding and with the Hurriyat now under the NIA's radar.